This is a historic situation that we're looking at here, just shattering parts of the Commonwealth with devastating, catastrophic damage. And, you know, Jennifer, unfortunately, Governor Beshear suggesting that it could be over 100 people that were killed.
Yeah, he is afraid that death toll is going to rise while the damage is widespread. One of the most devastated areas right now is Mayfield. As you can see from this WLKY Chopper HD video, about 110 people were inside of this candle factory here when the tornado went by. Now, the governor said that 40 people were rescued. Unfortunately, others have passed away. You're seeing the video here, Suzanne, and even the governor said that he is at a loss for words on how to describe this. I think unless you're in person, the gravity of what has happened is difficult to understand and conceive what is actually happening there.